Hello students, welcome back to one more video related to isometric drawing using Autocad. Now the figures that which you can see on the screen, I have already drawn this in my previous video. So if you want to practice, you can go and visit the YouTube channel. Now here I am inserting one more question related to isometric drawing. So this is my question, and I need to draw an isometric drawing using this orthography. So before that, the two important settings, so OS enter and isometric snap I need to on, and one more setting is my ortho should be on. Now if we start reading the drawing, this is my front view and the upper one is the top view. So I will first find out the length with respect to the front view. So it is 24 plus 25 plus 15 plus 50. So the length comes out to be 114. The height is 48, which you can see. Now with respect to the width, it is 12 plus 24 plus 12. So the width is 48. This we got it from the top view. So I need to draw a rectangular cube of length 114, width 48, height 48. So I will take projection layer. I will start drawing the length. Okay, I will draw the cube on the right hand side, assuming that the origin on the left. Change the plane by using F5. So I will change the plane using F5 key. The length is 114, height is 48. Again I will change the plane F5. Will change the plane using F5 key. Height is 48. Again my length is 114 and height is 48. Now I will draw the width. So I will change the plane F5. Width is 48. Again my height is 48 and I will complete the plane. Okay, now by using copy command, what I will do is I will copy the sides. So I hit CO enter. I have selected the sides. I will select the base point. Okay, and then I will copy it and paste it towards the next corner. Next I will copy the another layer. CO enter. Selected the line, copied it to the another point. Now I will start drawing with the front view. I will draw the right hand part of the front view. So I will select continuous line. Okay, now in the diagram, as you can see, this is 15 plus 50, that is approximately equal to 65. Let's cross check. 15 plus 50, 65. Okay, so first we will draw that from the right corner. So L enter. 65. Change the plane using F5 key. 65. Then my vertical height is 48. Okay, and then it is 15. I will escape from here now. I want to draw the slant height, so I will draw 24 vertical right corner, and then I will connect both the points. Okay, so here I have completed the front face. Now as you can see in the diagram, the width of this face is 12. So before that, what I will do, I will complete a top view. So there is a dark line over here of 48, and then it is having a width of 15. So I will enter 15 and I will complete this, what we can say, width portion in the top view. Okay, now I want the slant height as a width of 12. So I will L enter. Okay, 12. So I will draw a line of 12 first. I will click on L enter. I will draw a line of 12. Okay, now I will use copy command and I will copy the slant height. So CO enter. I will select the slant height, enter, select the base point and then put it into the second corner. Okay, so now it is okay. Now I will copy, CO enter, copy these three lines, 1, 2 and 3, enter, select the base point as one corner and take it to the another corner, because the same what we can say rib is present at the another corner. Okay, I'll also copy the remaining line, CO enter, and I'll click it over here. See, this such kind of mistake you can make. So while copying, you need to clearly see whether you are visible the square or not. So I'll again click on CO enter, select the line, select the base point, and now I'll zoom in, and when the square will appear, I will click on the corner. Okay, so I'll just zoom in one more time. Yeah, now it is visible, so I have clicked it. Now the unwanted part I will trim, so tr enter enter, I'll trim the part. Okay, now this looks okay. Now I will draw the further part, which is the semicircle and the circle, as you can see in the diagram. So for this you need to use the ellipse command, but before that, as you can see, it is not at the outer edge, it is 12 meter inside. So I'll draw a line of 12. Okay, change the plane, height is 48. Now from here I will draw the plane for the semicircle and the circle. Now the width of this plane will be the length of the plane will be 24 plus 25, that is 49. So 49, and the height is 48, and again the length is 49. Now with respect to this plane, I need to draw the circle and semicircle. So first I will draw the center line. So I'll click on L enter. I will identify the midpoint. L enter, midpoint. Okay. Now for circle, as you know, in isometric we use ellipse, so EL enter, and for ISO command I enter. Okay. So there is a semicircle of what you can say radius 24, and there is a circle of diameter 24. So I'll click on EL enter, I enter, so ellipse and ISO command. Select the center. I will just click at the corner edge since it is meeting the edge, and then one more time EL enter, I enter, select the center, and the diameter is 24. So I will click on D enter, 24 enter. Okay, now I will trim the unwanted part, TR enter enter. Whatever is not required I will trim that part. Okay, so all this was the reference. My only semicircle and circle should be visible. Okay, so this I can confirm from the what we can say edges, or the what we can say the question given. So I have trimmed the unwanted part. Now I need to extrude it. So from the question you can observe it has a width of 24. Okay, so first I will draw a line of 24. I'll click on L enter. I'll select this point and I will draw a line of 24. Okay, so I entered 24. Now I need to copy this semicircle and circle to that point. Okay, so CO enter. I'll select the line, select the semicircle, again select the line, and select this circle. Click on enter. I'll select this base point and take it to the 24 point. So 24 point will be visible by a square what you can say box. So as soon as it is visible, I will click it over there. Okay, so I have copied it. So this is the 24 length. Okay, so I have copied it to the next corner of 24. Now whatever is unwanted I will trim it. So TR enter enter. So I will trim this part. Okay, I will trim this part. Okay, and now I need to join what we can say. So before that I will just delete the 24 reference line. I'll click on L enter. See, by moving on the curve you can get a quadrant point. So I'll select that quadrant point and then I will take the width of 24. So I'll click 24 and enter. Okay, so by using the quadrant point on the semicircle I have joined, and by using TR enter enter I will trim the unwanted part. Okay, now there is only one final edge that is remaining, so I will copy it from using from this is CO enter. I will select this edge, enter, and they'll select the base point and copy it to the another end. Okay, again the line which is overlapping I will trim. So TR enter enter. So I will trim this line, trim this line. Okay, so here my figure is completed, isometric drawing. Now for easy visibility what I can do is I will delete the reference box, that is the projection lines I have drawn. So I will select line and I will delete this box. Okay, so that you can see it clearly what is our final answer. So simple. Okay, just your imagination is important and your practice is important. Okay, so here we complete one more question on isometric drawing using AutoCAD. So since I had drawn some previous questions also, for which separate YouTube video is already available, so what I will do is now I will convert this into a PDF. Before that I will just arrange my diagrams properly. So I will just drag and I will copy what we can say move it. Okay, one line is not copy. Again I will by using left click I will drag it, and then I will click on the right and move command. I'll select one point and then I will move it. Similarly I will move the below part also. So I'll again select, drag it, okay, right click, move command, and select one point and just move it. Okay, so you can arrange this all the three drawings as per your requirement. Okay, I will just take little upper this one, so again move and take it on the upper side. Okay, now it looks good. Now I can write the sheet name, so I just need to go upon the template, and then as soon as it highlights I need to double click and then I can type. Okay, so this is my isometric drawing. Upper one also you can change the name of the college, whatever name of your college is there you can enter that name. Again, as soon as it highlights I need to double click, write down the name, write down your name. Okay, enter your roll number in similar way. Okay, sheet number, okay, and date. So here we have completed all the entries into my, what we can say, AutoCAD sheet. Now in order to print it I need to go for Control P. I repeat, I need to click on Control P. As soon as I click, this window opens. So first I need to select DWG to PDF. Under paper size I need to select ISO 420 into 297. Then under Windows I need to select Windows, under what to plot, and then I need to select both corners of the drawing sheet. Once that is selected, I need to click on center to plot, fit to paper, then click on apply to layout, and then click on OK. I need to give the destination of the PDF, okay, and whatever name is required, that name I will give to the PDF. So whatever name is required on your side you can give that name, and then I'll click on save. Okay, so the PDF is generated. Now you can directly print this on your A3 size, and then you are good for submission. So thank you for watching. Do share this with your friends, those who are practicing AutoCAD, and for many more such videos please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.